Is a celestial phenomenon. The blood red moon, also known as a total lunar eclipse, is a stunning celestial event that captures the fascination of astronomers, scientists, and skywatchers worldwide. The term blood moon refers to the deep reddish hue that the moon takes on during a total lunar eclipse, caused by Earth's shadow completely covering the moon. This phenomenon has been a subject of myths, folklore, and scientific curiosity for centuries. This video will explore the concept of the blood red moon, the science behind its occurrence, its significance in history, myths and legends associated with it, and its relevance in modern astronomy. What is a blood red moon? A blood red moon occurs when the Earth comes directly between the sun and the moon, causing the Earth's shadow to completely cover the moon's surface. Unlike a solar eclipse, which occurs during the day and can only be seen in specific locations, a total lunar eclipse is visible from anywhere on Earth where the moon is above the horizon. The term blood moon is used because of the reddish tint the moon takes on during the eclipse. This color is the result of Rayleigh scattering, the same phenomenon that makes the sky appear blue and sunsets appear red. The Earth's atmosphere bends sunlight and filters out shorter wavelengths, blues and greens, allowing only longer wavelengths, reds and oranges, to reach the moon. This refracted red light is what gives the moon its characteristic blood red appearance during a total lunar eclipse. Why does the moon turn red? The science behind it. The phenomenon of the blood red moon can be explained scientifically through the process of lunar eclipse physics and atmospheric refraction. Let us see this with reference to the shadow of the Earth. When a total lunar eclipse occurs, the moon passes through the umbra, which is the darkest part of the Earth's shadow. This prevents direct sunlight from reaching the moon, causing it to darken. However, some indirect sunlight still manages to reach the moon through Earth's atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere also has a role to play here. Even though direct sunlight is blocked, Earth's atmosphere bends and scatters sunlight. Shorter wavelengths, blue and violet, get scattered away, while longer wavelengths, red and orange, pass through and reach the moon. This is the same process that gives sunrises and sunsets their fiery red hues. The light that reaches the moon is primarily red, making the moon appear blood red to observers on Earth. So what are the factors that influence the red hue? Several factors can influence how red or dark the moon appears during an eclipse. Atmospheric conditions influence this red hue. If Earth's atmosphere is filled with dust, smoke, or volcanic ash, the moon may appear darker or even copper-colored. At the same time, pollution levels can also affect the amount of red light that reaches the moon. The position of the moon with respect to Earth's shadow may affect the red hue. For example, how deep the moon travels into Earth's shadow affects the intensity of the red hue. The blood red moon has great historical and cultural significance. Throughout history, blood red moons have been associated with omens, prophecies, and supernatural beliefs in different cultures. Some civilizations saw them as harbingers of disaster, while others interpreted them as messages from the gods. Let us study the ancient civilizations and the blood moon one by one. Babylonians and Mayans meticulously recorded lunar eclipses and linked them to celestial predictions. The Mayans, known for their advanced astronomy, believed that a blood red moon was a warning sign of impending doom. In Chinese folklore, the Chinese believed that a giant celestial dragon swallowed the moon, causing the eclipse. People would bang drums and make loud noises to scare the dragon away. Similarly, Hindu mythology describes eclipses as the result of the demon Rahu devouring the sun or moon. In medieval Europe, blood moons were often associated with apocalyptic prophecies. Many believed that a red moon signaled divine punishment, plagues, or wars. Then there are biblical and religious interpretations of the blood red moon. The book of Joel in the Bible mentions, "The sun will be turned to darkness and the moon to blood before the great and terrible day of the Lord comes." This verse has led some to believe that blood moons are signs of significant religious events. In recent years, some religious groups have connected tetrads, 4 consecutive total lunar eclipses, with biblical prophecies. However, scientists dismiss these claims as purely coincidental. Modern astronomy and blood red moon together provide information about Earth's atmosphere. While ancient civilizations viewed blood moons with superstition, modern astronomers study them with scientific interest. These lunar eclipses provide valuable information about Earth's atmosphere and celestial mechanics. Thus, scientists use lunar eclipses to analyze the composition of Earth's atmosphere. The way sunlight bends and filters through different layers of the atmosphere helps them understand climate change, air pollution, and global weather patterns. A darker or dimmer blood moon may indicate higher levels of atmospheric particles, such as ash from volcanic eruptions. Astronomers explore lunar surface properties when there is a blood red moon. The way sunlight interacts with the moon's surface during an eclipse helps astronomers study its mineral composition. Observing temperature fluctuations on the moon during an eclipse can provide insights into lunar soil properties and potential future colonization projects. Modern technology allows astronomers to predict total lunar eclipses centuries in advance. Upcoming blood red moons can be tracked with precision, making them exciting events for astronomers and skywatchers. The blood red moon of March 14, 2025. The next major blood red moon will occur on March 14, 2025. Here are some key details about this upcoming lunar eclipse. Type of eclipse: total lunar eclipse, blood moon. Visibility: the eclipse will be visible in North America, South America, Europe, Africa, and parts of Asia. However, it will not be visible in India as it will occur during daytime. Timings: UTC time. O partial eclipse begins 9:29 a.m. UTC O total eclipse begins 10:58 a.m. UTC O maximum eclipse 11:31 a.m. UTC O total eclipse ends 12:02 p.m. UTC O partial eclipse ends 1:29 p.m. UTC special notes. Since this blood moon coincides with the festival of Holi, it is expected to be a topic of discussion in India, even though it won't be visible there. No religious or astrological effects will be considered in places where the eclipse is not visible. How to watch a blood red moon. To experience the beauty of a blood red moon, follow these tips. 1. Find a dark location. Choose an area away from city lights for a clearer view. 2. Check the weather. Cloudy skies can obstruct the eclipse, so check local weather forecasts. 3. Use binoculars or a telescope. While the eclipse is visible to the naked eye, a telescope enhances details. 4. Capture the moment. Astrophotographers can use cameras with long exposure settings to capture stunning images of the blood moon. Conclusion: the blood red moon is a breathtaking cosmic event that has fascinated humans for centuries. While ancient cultures feared it as a bad omen, modern science explains it as a natural and predictable celestial occurrence. The upcoming March 14th, 2025 blood moon will be another opportunity to witness this incredible phenomenon and appreciate the wonders of the universe. Whether you observe it for scientific interest, spiritual significance, or sheer beauty, the blood red moon remains one of the most awe-inspiring sights in the night sky.